Hey guys, it's day 15 of my desert island quarantine, and today I really feel like I am in a bit of a prison. So it's raining. This is what's going on with my tent. Isn't that insane? The wind and the rain is just battering the entire structure, and it's not the best tent in the world, so I'm just hoping it survives this torrential storm. Wow. The last couple of days it's been raining pretty incessantly in the afternoons, which is really unusual for this season, but so it is. And on days like this, there's nothing much to do. Oh my god. There isn't much to do but to read, and I'm almost done with my book. I just have a few pages left, and I get to write in my notebook. And if I have any battery in my laptop, I can edit these videos. Otherwise, I'm sitting in the tent and watching it bend over backwards under the pressure of the wind. It's so funny because in this book, there's one sentence where a couple of people say that Socotra is like a prison. And honestly, if it's weather like this, you can't go outside. There's nothing much you can do. There is no other shelter other than the tents. So it does feel prison-like. Whoa. But on the best days, it's heavenly. On the worst days, it's like this. Hell. Anyway. Oh wow. I'm not sure what happened to my camera just now, but my lens stopped working. Anyway, I was gonna say, wish me sunny weather, sunny skies. Stay safe and take care of yourselves, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.